How to program your dual or 8-channel tow team warning system. Before programming, make sure the unit is turned on and the blue power LED is illuminated. Mute the system's alarm with the red toggle switch. To program, press the black button 3 times and hold down on the third push. Press the red button 2 times and hold down on the second push. Release when you see the green LED flash, indicating you're in programming mode. Pair your first group of up to 4 transmitter wands by pressing the red buttons, watching for a flash in the green LED to indicate they've been received. Release the black button and reset the system. Move the toggle switch to group 2 and repeat the same sequence with up to 4 more transmitter wands. For blank channels, such as in a 6-wand system, use the last transmitter wand paired to fill the empty spots. If a transmitter wand is replaced, it is necessary to reprogram all wands. Any transmitter wand can be programmed to any TTWS receiver. Test each transmitter wand with a 5-second delay between resets. Your wands are successfully paired.